Ever tried to use here with couldn't or some and got an error? That's because you needed having instead. Let's clear up this confusion. The key difference is timing. For here filters individual rows before any grouping happens. It runs early in the SQL execution pipeline. Having filters groups after aggregation is complete. Think of it this way. Here asks which rows should I include, while having asks which group should I keep. This execution order matters. Here comes first. Then group by combines rows. Then having filters those groups. Here's the rule. Here cannot use aggregate functions like can't, sum, avg, max, or min. It only sees individual row values. Having, on the other hand, is designed specifically for aggregate functions. It works hand in hand with group by to filter grouped results. If you need to check an aggregated value, you must use having. Let's see this in action. Say we have an orders table and want to find customers who placed more than 5 orders. First, we use here to filter out cancelled orders before grouping. Then we group by customer ID and count orders for each customer. Finally, having filters to keep only customers with a count greater than 5. Notice how it acts on the status column from individual rows, while having acts on the current result from grouped data. You can use both in the same query, each doing its specific job. Remember, here filters rows before grouping, having filters groups after aggregation. Master this distinction, and you'll write cleaner SQL. Practice with our interview questions at interviewmentor.ai. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.